One water droplet versus 100,000 pea bullets. Which is more powerful? 100 steel plate zombies against 100,000 peas. Piece of cake. And a water droplet against 100 steel plate zombies.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like the hate in the gaff. Please don't
Easy peasy. What about a horde of strong gargantuar zombies versus 100,000 peas? So easy. How about a slow moving water droplet? $100,000 peas versus the toughest ice giant. No penetration. What about a single water droplet?
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap.